Best mutual fund brokers. Mutual fund brokers are very good if you want to invest in these funds for the long run. It really is a great idea, and it can help you quite a lot. Here are some of the top mutual fund brokers you can work with right now. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 5. ETrade. This is a great company that covers low-cost funds. You can get actively managed funds, and the commission is pretty small too. That makes them one of the best mutual fund brokers you can use at this time. Number 4. TD Ameritrade. The company allows you to gain access to bulletins about the best performing funds. It will help you bring in tremendous support, and the value you get is extraordinary. The commissions do vary quite a bit. Number 3. Charles Schwab. This is one of the top low-cost mutual fund brokers. You have a great investment approach, although the commissions can be on the higher side of things. Number 2. Fidelity. You will like them because they do offer a lot of ETF, index, retirement services, and so on. They also provide a vast range of educational resources to help you learn how to invest wisely. And number 1. Vanguard. Vanguard has a lot of passively and actively managed funds. They focus on diversity, the commissions are low, and that makes them a top mutual fund broker. These mutual fund brokers are very professional. They get the job done very well, and the value you receive is really incredible. We recommend you give them a try because they offer a rewarding experience, and that's what you need the most. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn those notifications on.